Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be looking at how we can do a flyer design in Microsoft Word. Before we move ahead, if you are new to my channel, you can go and hit the subscribe button to get more tutorials and tips on Microsoft Word, Excel and PowerPoint in future. So without any further ado, let's get started. If you want this Microsoft template, you need to stay tuned to the video because somewhere in the video there is a video link hidden. So watch till end. So we'll begin with the new document. So I'll press Ctrl N to take a new document. So here we go. So I'll keep it open just for my reference so that while designing I'll be keep on shuffling between two. So let me start with the first graphic element. So let us see what are the graphic elements in this first. So we have this one image here. I'll do quickly Ctrl Z. I have one a triangle here and a logo placed here. Remaining are the text elements. So in order to make this, first we need to set up something in the document. So we'll go to the layout first, we'll go to margin and we'll go to the custom margin. So what we have to do first, we make sure your paper size is the relevant size. For now I'm taking A4 size paper and we'll go to margin and we'll set all the margins to 0. We'll press OK. So now the very first thing that we are going to do is we are going to make this element. So it's pretty easy. So what we need to do, I'll just keep the whole page in fitting. With how you can do, you can just click here and you can just do the whole page. So it will fit the whole page on the screen. And just for my reference, let me go through and you can see quickly here, this part of the rectangle almost comes half of the page. So what we have to do, we'll go to insert, we'll take a shape and we'll take a rectangle. I will draw almost half of the page height rectangle and we'll give it shape fill, no need to worry now. I will give a no outline. Just quickly move it here so that I can see the point here, this one, because I need to move it to somewhere here. So again I'll click on the rectangle, I'll come to edit shape, I'll do edit points and I'll just quickly move it somewhere around the half. That looks fine. Okay, so this is the first element that we have got. So I'll place it here. The next element, if you see in the document, it's like a right angle triangle. So how are you going to do it? We'll go to insert, we'll take shape and we'll take a right angle triangle. You can see this in basic shape, fourth option is a right angle triangle. I'll draw it quickly and I will rotate it. We make sure you check out not shape outline. We don't want any shape outline. And for now, let me give a black color so that we can differentiate. And I'll make it a little bit bigger. That looks fine. Now we need to give a page a background. So I'll go to design, page color, and I'll give this dark, it's like maroon color, dark red. So I will take a shape here, a rectangle. By pressing shift, I'll drag it so that I'll get a square and I'll quickly rotate it by pressing shift 2 times so that it looks like a diagonal. I'll place it somewhere here. I'll give a shape fill of white color and shape outline, no outline. Now we need to add a logo in this. So just I will do Ctrl D to make a duplicate of this. Again I rotate it back to make it straight. I'll reduce the size a bit. And in this, what I'll do, I'll go to shape format, shape fill. I need a picture fill. I need a picture from a file. The file has been saved, so I'll take a Word logo. So here we go, and just we'll quickly place it here. Now I'll take a text box. So insert, shapes, a text box. I'll draw a text box quickly. And I will write Word. I'll change the font to Roboto. You can take any font of your choice. And I'll increase the size a bit, nearly 18. And I'll copy other text from this. So what I need to do, just click this text box, go to shape format, and just go to shape fill and make it no fill. So we'll change all the text color to white. Okay, and if you click outside, you can see this, there is outline, so we don't want that outline also. I'll go to shape format and make it no outline. Okay, so here we go. Now what we need to do, we'll copy this and we'll do Control D and we'll place it over here. Again Control D and we'll place it over here approximately. So we can see there is a space problem because we have to write something. So what I'll do, I'll drag these things a little bit up so that we'll get decent space on the bottom. Yeah, that's enough. So next we can see we have a text box here. Similar way I will select this and I will do Control D. I'll place it somewhere here. I'll stretch it a little bit and I will just quickly copy the content from here to save time and we'll paste it here. So this is like major things done. So in order to change these icons, what you can do, just click on this and go to shape format, go to shape fill, picture from a file, and whatever you need you can change here. So you see you need Excel. I will change this to PowerPoint, and the same way we can change the letter here also. Excel, PowerPoint, and here we go. So the next thing left is putting photos here. That will do at the end. So I'll copy this quickly because QR code you can generate, you can type on Google how to generate QR code. There are a lot of websites available. You can make QR code easily. I'll paste it here. I'll take a line. I'll quickly draw a line. I'll give a line white color and a little bit thick. I'll keep it down. So the next content is this, also is like similar text box, so just I'm copying it and I'll paste it here, and here we go. So this is content asset, just adjust it a little bit. Done. Now next question is how we can add the graphics in this element. So you see it's very simple. Just will right click here on the format shape, we'll go to fill, we'll go to picture fill, and we'll do file. So here is the file, but you can see now it's little compressed in this axis. So what I can do, I'll just click here, I'll go here, we need to adjust a little bit, so I'll stretch it a little bit. Yeah, there we go, that looks good. Now I'll select this one, I'll come to this fill and line option, I'll make the transparency as 50%. So here we go, that's all. So it's very easy to make this kind of flyers in Word. So if you really like this tutorial, I have another series of PowerPoint, how you can make infographics and other icons in PowerPoint. Go check out. Thanks for watching.